Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the screws on both sides of the refrigerator here. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this panel, I believe, first to see what we got going there. And see what we got here. Looks like there were two screws here on the side, but they're both gone. Let's take a look in here and see. Okay, we'll have to remove those two screws on the back side here. Okay, so looks like there's only 2 out of the 4 still in it. All right, let's see if we can rip this. We're going to open the door here. Okay. Okay, this little thing is heavy. It could be because it's binding up here a little bit, but okay, let's have a, looks like it has a 12-volt positive and negative connection here on the back, and it is plugged into shore power, the 120. Just unplug that. Let's see if we can take this other connection off. As far as I know, the refrigerator works. We've been very lucky so far. Everything on this unit has worked so far. Just want to upgrade this. I'm probably going to extend this. I'm probably going to make it a bigger unit. Hopefully I can find something. I have to remove the shelf, and I'll show you some pictures of that here in a minute, what we're going to have to do. Let's go ahead and get this 12-volt wire off here. It's just 2 clips in the back here, it looks like, and that'll come off. Okay, they're off. Alrighty. I'll just set this down. Okay. So, it looks like this unit is a, it's a Norcold. Let's see if there's a date on this. It's made in Japan. 117 volts and 12 volts DC. And it looks like the very low serial number on this unit. So we'll hang on to this for now. But what we're going to do is obviously going to replace that with a new modern style refrigerator. More than likely we're going to take this, there's a drawer here, we'll take this out, this shelf, move the shelf down. If I can salvage this shelf for the new unit to sit on, I want to go down as far as I can. We may have to make a strip plate across here for a filler, but we'll see. We won't get into that on this video today. Looks like these drawer releases are going to be back here. Let me see if I can release that and pull this out. No. I can get this side, but I don't know that I can get that side very easily. Is very blinding. Let me see if I can get it from this direction. I do see that one now. see if I can get this other side. There we go. Okay, we're able to release that. And, let's save this drawer also. All right. So basically, we'll put a 12 volt, 120 volt unit in play. We'll upgrade the socket that's in here. And I'll take some pictures of that and add them to this video. We'll move this shelf down and catch the bottom of whatever the dimension is for the larger refrigerator. And then it looks like we'll put a filler piece in here. And then more than likely we're going to keep this. This is a nice little spice rack here. Pulls out. It's on very good quality sliders. I'm putting a good amount of weight pushing down on that. It seems to be very, very well constructed. So, okay, so there you go. Hey, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you very much, and thanks again for watching Money's Ain't Right Garage.